Are you tired of sluggish, unreliable printers that slow down your productivity and leave you frustrated? In today's fast-paced world, especially in a bustling home office or a dynamic small team environment, you need a printer that's not just a workhorse, but a smart, connected partner. Well, prepare to meet your new best friend, the Brother HL-L2460DW wireless compact monochrome laser printer. This isn't just another printer review, it's a deep dive into how this machine can genuinely transform your daily workflow. I've put this compact powerhouse through its paces, and let me tell you, it truly stands out as a top contender for the best laser printer in 2025. First off, let's talk about pure, unadulterated efficiency. The Brother HL-L2460DW is engineered for speed, delivering crisp, clear black and white output at an impressive rate of up to 36 pages per minute. Imagine getting through large reports, invoices, or client documents in a fraction of the time. But it's not just about speed, it's about smart speed. This printer boasts automatic duplex printing, meaning it prints on both sides of the page without you lifting a finger. This feature alone is a game changer for saving paper, reducing waste, and presenting professional-looking documents with ease. And connectivity, flawless. With built-in dual-band wireless 4 GHz/5 GHz, Ethernet, and a traditional USB interface, this printer seamlessly integrates into any setup, whether you're working from a desktop, laptop, or multiple devices across your network. It's truly designed to be the backbone of your home office or small team, ensuring consistent, premium print quality every single time. Now let's talk about convenience that truly keeps up with your mobile lifestyle. The Brother Mobile Connect app is an absolute revelation. This isn't just a basic printing app, it's a comprehensive remote control for your printer. Picture this. You're away from your desk, perhaps even out of the house, and you need to print an important document. With the app, you can manage your wireless printer remotely, sending print jobs from your mobile device anytime, from almost anywhere. But it goes beyond just printing. You can track your toner usage, ensuring you never run out mid-job, and even order Brother genuine supplies directly through the app. It's a fantastic tool for staying productive and organized on the go. Plus, for those of you who love smart home tech, this printer works with Alexa, allowing for convenient voice commands. Talk about futuristic printing. Finally, the Brother HL-L2460DW truly shines in its versatility, especially when it comes to paper handling. Say goodbye to constantly refilling your paper tray. This printer comes equipped with a generous 250-sheet capacity paper tray, perfect for tackling high-volume black and white printing tasks without interruption. This means more time working and less time fussing with your printer. But what about those special projects? Need to print on envelopes, labels, or thicker specialty paper? No problem. The dedicated manual feed slot handles these tasks with precision, ensuring your professional communications look their absolute best. This level of adaptable paper handling is crucial for any busy home office or small team that deals with diverse printing needs daily. It's this attention to practical detail that makes the HL-L2460DW such a robust and reliable choice. In conclusion, the Brother HL-L2460DW wireless compact monochrome laser printer is much more than just a printer. It's an investment in efficiency, convenience, and peace of mind. Its incredible speed, automatic duplexing, versatile connectivity, intuitive mobile app, and robust paper handling make it an undeniable standout. If you're searching for the best laser printer for your home office or small team that offers consistent, premium print quality, this is it. Plus, it even includes a refresh subscription trial for ultimate convenience, and Brother is at your side with a 1-year limited warranty and free lifetime support. This compact monochrome laser printer truly redefines what you should expect from your printing solution. If you're ready to upgrade your printing experience and boost your productivity, you can find the link to the Brother HL-L2460DW in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more expert tech reviews and guides, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next unboxing or top product recommendation.